how to mute users on Threads app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how to mute users on Instagram Threads so you can control what you see on your feed. So let's dive right in. Open up the Threads app and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Now go to the search icon at the bottom and find the user that you want to mute. You can search the username and then tap on their name. Now, once you're on their profile, on the top right corner, you'll see three dots. Just tap on it and you can see the mute option. Just tap on it. And then there you can see the person has been muted. Now their posts, their replies, everything will be muted. And you won't be notified. They won't be notified that you muted them. And that's it. You can unmute the user anytime by visiting their profile and going to the same three dots and tapping on unmute. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share our video for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.